Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're a new viewer, I'm Naomi here at Draw Design and Decorate, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do, because I have some amazing holiday content coming your way soon which you do not want to miss. And without much blabbering, let's get into today's video. To make the first wrapping paper, I'm reusing a brown paper bag. I've already cut the required size that I need. So all I used are some acrylic paints which I thinned out using water and then splattered it on the paper to create a very cool effect. The color combination is totally up to you. And that's it, simple and easy. For the second one, I'm using a creamish cardstock and I use sequins to decorate it. I had quite a variety of them, but for this one, I used only the star sequins. It's quite difficult to stick the sequins as they're very small, so I dipped a fine brush in glue and used it to pick up the sequins and stick them. Feel free to stick them in whatever pattern you want. You can also use a tweezer if it's really difficult to place them on the paper. For the next one, I used die cuts. I really like the snowflake dies as they have really nice detailing. Now this paper already looks like wrapping paper, but it's just normal cardstock with some pattern on it. To make the snowflakes, I use this very fine silver paper. I placed the dye on the paper and then just ran it through my machine. And my cutting plates aren't dirty, they're just stained. Before sticking them to the blue paper, I placed them where I wanted them to be and then just stuck them using glue. For this DIY, I used stamp sentiments. These are totally optional. If you don't have them, just use a marker or a Sharpie to write your sentiment. Since I will be embossing these sentiments, I had to use a Versamark ink pad, gold embossing powder and an acrylic block. So I chose the sentiments that I wanted and then placed them on the acrylic block. Now just an important tip here is that make sure the stamps that you are using are from the same set, as the thickness varies from company to company. So if you do use different ones on a single acrylic block like I did, they might not stamp on your surface. As you can see, the ones in the middle did not stamp, so I just used a brush to brush off the unwanted embossing powder and then heat set it with a heat gun. For the last DIY, I used stamps again, but this time I used a solid image. I didn't have white ink, so I used white acrylic paint to stamp it. Acrylic paint does not damage the stamp in any way, as the stamps are washable. So I kept stamping them all the way till the end, connecting them together just to make it look like a very continuous pattern. And that's it. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, and go watch my other two videos which are here, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.